Clouds are staying maps, and I think you both would agree what a difference a day makes.
Yes, it's not too bad out there. It's we saw some sunshine. It wasn't too cold.
Mark took a walk today, and I know he was happy about it.
I was very happy.
Yes.
Yeah, the sunshine makes that big time difference, and we did do that total 180 from yesterday and all that mess that we dealt with. I mean, there you go. As that sun starts to set, what a beautiful view we have of the National Cathedral, and yeah, we'll soak up every last ray of sunshine we can before the sun goes down, because as we head on here over the next couple of days, we're going to start to notice a few more clouds, and eventually we'll be talking about that next storm system, which is a tricky one for Friday. Now, as far as it goes today, I mean, it is clear as ever. Now, we did have plenty of clouds hanging on out toward far western Maryland. We still have that on the western facing slopes in Garrett County, but it was a little tough to scour out the clouds earlier today along the I-68, I-70 corridors, but we finally did back over toward Cumberland and Hagerstown. Go figure, that's where we have our coolest temperatures still at this hour in the upper 30s, but everybody else managed to at least get back into the lower 40s. Again, not the warmest we've ever been, but it's at least some improvement from earlier today when it was quite brisk. And on the horizon, there's not much. We do have this cold front, though, that is swinging toward us here. And yes, there are a few snow showers attached to that across the Great Lakes, but really this front is not going to bring much in terms of precip other than a few mountain snow showers, but it will be bringing another burst of even colder air as we head toward Thursday night and Friday. Now, as far as it goes tonight, well, it's going to be pretty much the same temperature range we had from earlier this morning. West of the city, more likely to be in the 20s, but once you hit DC I-95, you're in the low 30s. Tomorrow afternoon, even though it is going to get a little breezy at times, we will still have temperatures, again, similar to today. Upper 30s, even as far as the mid 40s into parts of central Virginia. But look at this cold that starts to fill in behind that front. Thursday night going into Friday morning west of D.C., it's going to be in the teens. And then as you head into the district inside the Beltway, southern Maryland, low to mid 20s. That is it. And this cold right here is part of the reason why we are watching Friday extremely close. Now watch this as that front swings through again. Not much happening. Just a few of those mountain snow showers, a little uptick in cloud cover tomorrow afternoon. Now this next system is going to slide up from the south. And again, if it tracks just a little bit farther south than what this model is showing, we will not really see much other than a few flurries. But lately the trends have been that this storm system drifts farther north, and there you have it. Starting Friday morning, going through lunchtime, we'll have the southern half of the region experiencing some light snowfall that will continue up through about mid-afternoon, but just that quickly it exits. So two things in our favor here, folks. One, this is a fast-moving system, and again, some drier air could really limit that snow. But two, it's going to be a light snowfall that we see, if anything. So this is not highly impactful snow, but it could be the first measurable snow of the season in the district, and points to the south. We could see anywhere from a trace to 2 inches. That would be enough to make things slick, no doubt, but overall, you shouldn't be overly concerned. This is not going to be a major snowstorm, but we could see those flakes fly out there as we head through the day on Friday. And after that, well, not bad. We're going to have sunshine, temperatures back in the 40s heading into the upcoming weekend.